Everyone's freaking out about AI replacing developers. They're asking the wrong question. AI won't replace engineers, but engineers who use AI will replace engineers who don't. In fact, they might even replace entire teams. Here's what's actually happening from someone who's been in the trenches for 15 years. The game isn't about who can code, it's about who can think clearly and direct effectively. AI is an amplifier, and if you are a business owner, this is the most important lesson you need to understand to build 10 times faster and cheaper. You keep hearing it, AI will replace developers, and maybe you're paralyzed by that, and rightfully so. You're not sure if you should invest in building your software now or wait 6 months. You're wondering if you should even try to learn to code with AI tools, and you're confused about what's real and what's hype. Deep down, you're terrified you're going to get left behind, or worse, you'll invest heavily in a software project right before it becomes obsolete. The messages are totally conflicting. One headline says, AI writes perfect code, developers are obsolete. The next one says, AI makes critical errors, can't be trusted. One guru says, just describe what you want and AI builds it. Another says, you need to know how to code to use AI effectively. Your brain is probably screaming, what the hell is actually true? And I saw a business owner paralyzed by this confusion. They delayed building their crucial software for 18 months because they kept reading that AI was about to make everything easier. They waited so long that their competitor, who didn't wait, captured the entire market. By the time they were ready, the window was gone. And that's the emotional core of this fear, the paralysis of not knowing what's real, the anxiety of making the wrong bet, investing too early or too late, and watching everyone else just seem to get it. When you get stuck in this fear and confusion, the paralysis creates chaos. It affects more than just your mood. First, your business starts missing huge market opportunities while you're waiting for AI just to get better. Competitors are already using these tools to ship faster and cheaper than you are. You burn time overthinking instead of executing, risking becoming obsolete while desperately trying to avoid obsolescence. Next, it hits your team. Your engineers worry about job security, so morale just drops. And innovation stops because everybody's just in wait and see mode, and your best people leave for companies that are already adapting. Your culture now becomes defensive instead of innovative, and finally it destroys your industry position. You start losing thought leadership to competitors who have embraced AI. You look outdated to potential partners and investors, missing chances to revolutionize your space. I watched an agency owner refuse to adopt AI tools, saying that's cheating and quality will suffer. They lost 3 major clients to competitors who delivered much faster using AI assistants. They eventually had to lay off staff and are now scrambling to catch up, but their reputation is damaged. The false belief is that AI replaces developers, so you should wait. The truth is that waiting is the one thing that will absolutely replace your business. AI is an amplifier, it's not a replacement. And the truth is simple. AI doesn't replace thinking, it accelerates execution for people who already know what to build and why. Think about power tools. A power saw doesn't replace a skilled carpenter. It makes a skilled carpenter 10 times more effective, but it also makes an unskilled person 10 times more dangerous. AI is the same for software. I was the engineer who 2 years ago rolled my eyes at every new AI tool. I know how to code, thanks. I built my career on understanding systems deeply, not asking machines to do my thinking. Then I got tired of spending 3 days debugging something that should have taken 30 minutes, and I started experimenting. And here's what happened. Before AI, writing standard authentication boilerplate tests and debugging edge cases took me around 6 hours for basic infrastructure. Now with AI, I spend 10 minutes describing what I need based on my experience, and AI generates the boilerplates and tests. I spend 1 hour reviewing and catching the subtle edge cases that AI missed, and the total time is about 1.5 hours for the same result that I would have gotten in 6. But here's the crucial part. I still needed to know what good authentication looks like. I still needed to spot the subtle mistakes AI makes, and I still needed to understand the architecture. AI didn't replace my expertise, it freed me from the tedious execution so I could focus on what actually matters, making smart decisions about what to build and how to build it. Now I build in days what used to take weeks. So what is the real story of AI's role? AI can generate boilerplate, write tests, and debug common errors, but AI can't do the important stuff. Understand your business requirements. Know what features matter to your users, make strategic architectural decisions, or understand complex trade-offs. I spent 15 years building software that couldn't afford to fail, handling billions in transactions at Shopify, serving millions of merchants. I know what breaks under pressure. AI makes me faster not only because I already know what I'm doing, the pattern I'm seeing is clear. Experienced engineers plus AI equals unstoppable. They ship 5 to 10 times faster and focus on strategic thinking. But inexperienced people and AI equals dangerous. They confidently build the wrong thing perfectly and create technical debt faster than ever. For business owners, this is great news. You don't need to learn to code. You just need someone who knows how to use AI tools and has the experience to know what to build and how to build it right. When you understand AI as an amplifier, you stop being paralyzed by fear. You move forward with confidence, knowing what's real versus what's hype. And suddenly, you can build software 3 to 5 times faster than traditional methods. You're going to spend less money because AI reduces expensive developer hours, and you ship more and you can actually sleep at night knowing you're using the best tools available. Now your identity shifts. You go from a confused business owner overwhelmed by AI hype to a strategic operator who uses AI as leverage for faster, better execution. I had a client who was paralyzed by AI confusion for 9 months. They finally moved forward with AI assisted development and built their MVP in 6 weeks instead of the 6 months that they had budgeted. They launched, got customers, and generated revenue. They realized waiting would have killed their window. When you embrace this strategy, the momentum spreads. Your business starts shipping features in weeks that used to take months. You can compete with bigger, better funded competitors. You can test ideas fast, fail cheap, and succeed faster, building a sustainable competitive advantage. You become known as an innovator in your space. Your team gets excited instead of scared, and they spend more time on creative work and less time on the boring boilerplate that is mind-numbing. They ship more, learn more, and grow more. You become the business owner who saw through the hype and acted strategically, not paralyzed by fear, not naive about limitations, but clear-eyed about the real opportunity. And here's what you need to understand. The AI revolution isn't coming, it's already here, but it's not what headlines say. AI won't replace engineers, but engineers who use AI will absolutely replace engineers and teams who don't. More importantly, for you as a business owner, companies that use AI strategically will dominate their markets, while companies that wait will be left behind. The opportunity right now is this. Most of your competitors are either ignoring AI completely or using it naively. You have a window to move fast with someone who actually knows how to use these tools effectively. Book a strategy session with me. The link is in the description. In 90 minutes, I'll show you how AI can accelerate your software development without the bullshit. What's actually possible versus what's pure hype, and how much faster and cheaper you can build with AI-assisted development. Whether your project is truly ready, and I'll tell you if it's not, I'm using AI tools daily to build software at enterprise level and for clients. The same platforms I built at Shopify and Brex, but 5 times faster. This isn't about replacing people, it's about building smarter, faster, and better. The question isn't should I use AI, the question is am I using AI strategically with someone who knows what they're doing? So let's figure that out together.